Have you ever noticed how difficult it is to wait for something you really want? We live in a world of instant gratification where technology delivers everything with a click or a swipe. Patience, it seems, has become a lost art. Remember the days of waiting for a favorite TV show to air once a week or eagerly anticipating a letter from a loved one? These experiences, once commonplace, now feel like relics of a bygone era. In today's fast-paced world, we are bombarded with information, notifications, and demands for our attention. Our minds race from one thing to the next, leaving little room for stillness or contemplation. But what if we could reclaim the lost art of patience? What if we could learn to embrace the waiting, the uncertainty, and the discomfort that often accompany life's journey? This video will explore the importance of patience in a fast-paced world and provide practical tips for cultivating this essential virtue. By mastering patience, we can unlock a world of possibilities, both personally and professionally. Technology, for all its wonders, has undoubtedly contributed to our collective impatience. With smartphones in hand, we have the world at our fingertips. We can access information, connect with others, and even order groceries with astonishing speed and ease. While these advancements have brought undeniable benefits, they have also created an expectation of instant gratification that can be difficult to escape. Social media in particular plays a significant role in shaping our perception of time and patience. We scroll through carefully curated feeds, bombarded with images of success, happiness, and seemingly effortless achievement. The constant stream of notifications, emails, and messages can also fuel our impatience. By becoming more mindful of our technology use, we can mitigate its negative impacts on our patience. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, is an invaluable tool for cultivating patience. When we are mindful, we become more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. This heightened awareness allows us to observe our reactions to challenging situations without getting swept away by them. Impatience often stems from a resistance to what is happening in the present moment. Mindfulness helps us to acknowledge these thoughts and feelings without judgment, allowing us to choose a more patient and skillful response. One simple yet powerful mindfulness practice is to focus on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. This practice helps to calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and increase your capacity for patience. Cultivating patience is a lifelong journey, not a destination. It requires conscious effort, self-awareness, and a willingness to embrace the uncomfortable. Here are some practical tips to help you on your path to greater patience. Practice gratitude. When we focus on what we are grateful for, it shifts our perspective and helps us appreciate the good things in our lives. Reframe your thinking. Challenge negative thoughts and reframe them in a more positive light. Set realistic expectations. By setting realistic expectations for ourselves and others, we can minimize frustration and cultivate greater patience. Practice active listening. Patience is essential for effective communication. Active listening requires patience, empathy, and a willingness to see things from another person's perspective. Section 5. Patience in action, real-world examples. Patience is not merely a theoretical concept. It's a virtue that manifests in our daily lives. Here are a few real-world examples of how patience can make a difference. Stuck in traffic? Try taking a few deep breaths, putting on some calming music, or using the time to catch up on a podcast. Waiting in line? Try striking up a conversation with someone around you, listening to music, or simply observing your surroundings. Technical difficulties? Instead of letting frustration get the better of you, try taking a break, seeking technical support, or finding a workaround. Remember that getting angry won't make the traffic move any faster. Patience can transform these everyday frustrations into opportunities for growth. Section 6. The power of patience in relationships. Patience is the cornerstone of strong and healthy relationships. It allows us to navigate the inevitable ups and downs of human connection with grace, empathy, and understanding. In romantic relationships, patience is essential for weathering disagreements and supporting each other through challenging times. It involves accepting our partners for who they are, flaws and all, and recognizing that relationships take time, effort, and a willingness to compromise. Patience is equally important in our relationships with family and friends. It means being there for them through thick and thin, offering support and understanding without judgment. Cultivating patience in our relationships requires a conscious effort to shift our focus from our own needs and desires to the needs and desires of others. Section 7. Patience and personal growth. A winning combination. Patience is not only essential for healthy relationships, but also for personal growth and fulfillment. When we are patient with ourselves, we create the space to learn, grow, and reach our full potential. Many of life's most rewarding experiences take time, effort, and a willingness to be patient. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a business, or recovering from a setback, patience allows us to stay the course, even when progress is slow or setbacks occur. When we are impatient with ourselves, we tend to give up easily and miss out on valuable learning opportunities. Cultivating patience with ourselves involves treating ourselves with the same kindness, compassion, and understanding that we would offer to a close friend. It means celebrating our successes, big and small, and learning from our mistakes without dwelling on them. Section 8. The ripple effect of patience. The benefits of patience extend far beyond our personal lives. When we cultivate patience, we contribute to a more peaceful, compassionate, and harmonious world. Our patience can inspire others to practice patience themselves, creating a ripple effect that spreads throughout our communities and beyond. Imagine a world where people were more patient with each other, where drivers were more courteous, customers were more understanding, and colleagues were more supportive. Patience is essential for creating positive social change. By cultivating patience in our own lives, we become beacons of peace and understanding in a world that desperately needs these qualities. We inspire others to do the same, creating a more hopeful and compassionate future for generations to come. Section 9. Overcoming impatience. Strategies for success. While patience is an admirable quality, it's not always easy to maintain, especially in the face of stress, frustration, or unexpected delays. When you feel impatience rising, try these strategies. Identify your triggers. What situations, people, or thoughts tend to trigger your impatience? Once you're aware of your triggers, you can develop strategies for managing them more effectively. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing is a simple yet powerful way to calm your nervous system and reduce stress. Challenge your thoughts. Impatience is often fueled by negative thoughts. When you notice these thoughts creeping in, challenge them. Take a break. Sometimes the best way to deal with impatience is to simply step away from the situation. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a few minutes to collect yourself. Section 10. Patience, a journey, not a destination. Remember that cultivating patience is an ongoing process, not a destination. There will be times when you succeed and times when you falter. The key is to approach the journey with self-compassion and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Don't beat yourself up if you have moments of impatience. Everyone does. With practice, patience will become more of a habit, and you'll find yourself navigating life's challenges with greater ease and grace. Embrace the journey of cultivating patience and celebrate the small victories along the way. Section 11. Cultivating patience, a gift for yourself and others. In a world that often prizes speed and efficiency over patience and understanding, cultivating patience is a radical act of self-care and a gift to the world. When you practice patience, you're not just making things easier for yourself. You're also creating a more compassionate and harmonious environment for everyone around you. Patience is about developing an inner strength that allows you to navigate challenges with grace, resilience, and wisdom. By embracing patience as a way of life, you're choosing to live more consciously, to appreciate the present moment, and to cultivate deeper and more meaningful connections with yourself and others. And in a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, that's a gift worth cherishing.